This is CodeCombat. I'm currently working on Game Development 1, the JavaScript version of the course. I'm on level 1 over the garden wall. Let's see what we got. Remember, // is a comment, and to programmers what that means is it's a helpful hint. Maybe their friend wrote a message about the program. Here it's hints for us. The computer skips over it though. It's just for the humans. Alright, spawn a fence at XY3920. Now how we know XY, there's an invisible XY graph behind this. Right? So 0, 0 is way down here. You can see near my mouse it says X1, Y3. Okay? So what do we want? At 3920. I wonder if it's one of these gaps. Oh. I bet 3920 is going to be somewhere around here. See how my mouse says 40 and Y is 25 right there? Let's try. So just like they did here, game.spawnXY, I'm going to start typing that. .spawn, and I can just click on it. It's a fence, except I need it at 39 and 20. Okay, so that's that one. What do they want here? Oh, they want another fence at 39 again, but this time 24. So this is X, this is Y. This is what we're spawning. What do they want here? Ooh, a fence. And then Y needs to be 36. So I'm going to leave X alone, but Y here is going to get to be 36. And then this time, X is left alone, Y is going to be 40. Okay? So I think we got it using XY coordinates. Let's see. Awesome, we did it. Let's keep going.